Start by opening your web browser and going to connect.niunt.niu.edu. You should see a screen in front of you like this. Log in with your NIU ID and your current NIU password. Once you're logged in, click the Meeting button at the top left to create a new meeting. At this point, all we need to do is name the meeting and create a custom URL that is easy for users to type. I'm going to call mine Test Meeting, and my custom URL will be ms for Michael Swope -meeting. You can leave the rest of this form blank, as it is not necessary to create the meeting. Now scroll down and click Finish at the bottom. Here you will see the URL that users will need to access the meeting. The easiest way for them to access the meeting is for you to copy and paste that URL into an email. Now let's click the URL to take us into the meeting. Adobe Connect will open up in a separate window labeled Adobe Connect. Your screen should look like this. Now go up to the Layouts menu at the top and select Create New Layout. From here, you can title your new layout. I'm going to just leave mine alone as New Layout and click OK. We now have a blank layout in front of us, so we need to add a pod for video and a pod for attendees. Go up to the Pods menu at the top and select Video. Then click Pods again and scroll down to Attendees. You'll notice the pods are overlapping. You may move them around by grabbing the title bar at the top. You may also resize each pod by grabbing the side or corner of each pod. I'm going to make the Attendees pod small and the video pod pretty big. You may now easily switch between the various layouts by clicking the layouts on the right. You have now successfully created a new layout with a video pod and an attendees pod.